What's up, me and you fam? Today we have another Costco Keep or Return. We have picked up the Fanttik X200 and we have used and reviewed the X100, which is already a great deal. I have a link to the video up here. It's another typical Friday night browsing the aisles of Costco. We came upon this Fanttik X200 for $39.99. It got, a bunch of different nozzles and same thing, it's got the 4-in-1 function. You got the inflate, the blow, the air, the suction, vacuum. Let's get right into it. Let's check it out. Thank you, ma'am. Fanttik always has the nice designed packaging. Oh, here it is. This is what we're looking for. Da, 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 da. Okay, so here we have it, the Fanttik X200. Portable vacuum with all of the accessories that it comes with. All the different brush heads, crevice tool. These are for like the blower, inflate balloons and balls and toys. And it's got USB-C charging cord and portable bag. It's got a quick release here, I think. This opens up for you to clean out the filter. Want to use the other side, you take that off and you use this side. One side is to blow and one side is to vacuum. This is the vacuum suction side and this is the blow side. Let's see if it's charged enough to turn on. Ooh, it's got like a little hole. This is the indicator light of how charged it is. Low and high. Wow, that's nice. Now let's test it out in the field. So let's preface this by saying that it took us a lot of work to get our car into this condition for testing purposes only. Our car is not usually this dirty, but with kids, it can be. We have it on low power first. Ooh, already picked all that up. Use this for the crevices. Ooh. This is on the low function. Oops, there's a penny. They stopped making these. This could be worth millions one day. All right. Let's turn it back on. Turn it on high. So the battery, it says it lasts 15 minutes on high, about 30 minutes on low. But both worked quite well so far. We're going to switch to this now, this brush head. I think it's doing a great job. We're about halfway now. And we didn't even start on a full charge. It was right out of the box. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's show you how easy it is to empty it out. Okay, so you unlatch here and pops right open easily. And just dump it out like so. Wow, I didn't even know there was this much hair. If you need to, you could always open it like this and pop this out. And loosen it up. Whoa, look at that. Vacuum function was great, and we'll show you how easy it is to go from vacuum mode to inflate mode. Simple as 1, 2, 3. inflating. There we go. Save your breath and your energy when you want to blow up some balls or balloons. All right, so here we have it, the Fanttik X200, and it is a Costco keep for us. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions for videos in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.